Hey everyone, welcome to the weekly guidance. Once again, I am back with the weekly guidance. This is going to be 16th onwards, Sunday to next Saturday. Here we are going to check how our week is going to be, how easily we can manage, what the angels are giving the message to us, so that we can utilize that message for our growth, for our success. So before starting the weekly guidance, I would like to announce a special gift for each and everyone, whoever is going to watch this video. This is valid only for a week, for the duration it is given. So whoever is watching this video, do watch the video and do let us know in the comment section what actually you liked, whether you resonated or not, or what extra advice you can give in order to improve the video, or what extra you wanted me to add in the weekly guidance. So I really wanted to listen from each one of you, whoever is watching this video, whether you liked it or not, any advice, what did you like in this video, and whoever is commenting in this video, I am going to provide a gift from my page Tarot Destination. You can connect to our page, link is given. You can follow Facebook page or the Instagram page, and you can DM your question with your date of birth. Make sure your question is very specific and make sure you are sharing your name in case you are having two different IDs. The ID which you used on the YouTube and the ID which you are having on the Instagram. So make sure you are sharing that name also. So this is the gift from the Tarot Destination. So let's start the weekly guidance. So here I am going to pull 3 cards. Card 1, 2, 3. You can close your eyes, you can call your spirit guides and angels, and you can select one card. And let's see what message is coming for you for this coming week. So here we are having card 1, 2 and 3. Whichever you are connected to, you can select one card and we will see how your week is going to be. So let's start with the card 1. So people who have selected card 1, for them the message is relationship. So your this coming week, definitely some connection, some new communication, some new friendship, new assignment, anything it could be, but it is going to be in a positive manner. If you are focused, if you know where to go, the result also going to be great. The whole green color or the greenery and the nature, somewhere it is giving me indication. It is saying you are ready to manifest your desired result. So if you are manifesting something, make sure you want that only. So later on no guilt should come, and connect with the nature so that your manifestation will be fast. So the coming week, people who have selected card number 1, it is talking about your relationship, it is talking about your connection, it is talking about your new friendship, it is talking about new connection, it is getting added in your family or at the workplace, anything. It is going to be two-way relationship. So your response is also very important. If you are thinking you are not going to initiate this relationship, somewhere you may miss out the opportunity. So this is advice here. Connect with the other side of the people also, so that they will be able to help you out in a proper manner, because your response is also very important in order to create any relationship. So this is the week where you can think of gathering, where you can think of collaboration, where you can think of meeting to the new people so that you can create new connections. If someone is single, definitely one proposal must be coming and it is going to work out. So as a advice or as a remedy during this week, what it is advised, either you can keep, here you can see the horse and it is moving forward. So you can keep a white horse picture either in your wallet or on your wall, whatever you are comfortable with. Make sure you are giving your energies to that picture, and you can stick or you can carry in your wallet. Whatever if you want you can do. Do write your name and date of birth and your wish in one word, or you can make it a very small sentence. Back of that picture write with the green pen, and definitely your desire is going to get manifested. It is very positive card. It is talking about do connect with the people. You need connections. For that you have to initiate. So start initiating. If you're not talking to many people, start connecting with those people, because somewhere those people are responsible for your growth, and you have to think of your growth and simply don't carry negativity. That is not going to work in long run. So this is the advice for you. So this is the relationship card, card number 1. Let's move to the card number 2. Card number 2, here you can see it's a Cupid. So while seeing the picture itself, it is very clear. Here it is talking about relationship. Here it is talking about love. So people who have selected card number 2, for you it is advised, do carry love in order to get the love. Because whatever you are releasing in the universe, whatever you are releasing towards the other side of the person or the people, the same you are going to get back sooner or later. The same thing, it will come back. So here in the picture you can see this angel, the baby angel. She is releasing the heart shape, the bubble. So this is what you have to do. Release the lot of love and affection into the universe, so that the same thing you can get back. So whatever I just feel for this card number 2, now I do not want to connect the card number 1. Later on I will speak the energy of the week, how it is coming. So card number 2, it is talking about please manifest your love, please manifest your relationship, please think about your heart, because you are responsible for your heart. If your heart will be balanced, your mind will be balanced, and it is going to help you in the awakening of your journey. So do take it seriously. It is not talking about only to send love to the others. It is talking about self-care also, self-love also. Somewhere I think you people are missing the self-love. So that also it is required to add in your life. Add lot of pink color or the peach color. It is going to help you during the week. You can carry a pink or the peach color handkerchief, or you can carry anything. If you are having a crystal of that color, the rose quartz, it is going to be great. So if you are having, just try to give your energy to that crystal so that it will connect to you fast. It will help you in case any negative situation is coming, to give you support or the satisfaction. For some people, I feel this Cupid, it is talking about you need a great relationship from your life partner, which might be you are missing. So it is an advice also, if that person is not initiating, you can initiate. There is no harm. It is only taking and giving the love, nothing else. And once your give and take will be equal, you will reach at the balance, you will reach at the awakening about your love life. So Cupid, directly it is talking about love life. Love life, it is related to yourself, it is related to your house, it is related to your work, anything. Whatever you love to do, please add during this week, because it will help you to motivate whatever you are doing, and your week is going to be great. So don't create any negativity. Just be hopeful and be positive. Even if things are not working, you try to give gratitude and the lot of affection to that situation. Definitely that situation will turn up and it will be in your favor. So this is the message of the card 2. Let's come back to the card 3. Card 3 is here acceptance. So little bit more, I will just shift here. I think now it will be clear to you people. So card 3 is acceptance. Acceptance here, it is talking about whatever it is happening. I think the same card has come during the last week also. So people who have selected card number 3, somewhere I feel still you people are struggling in accepting the situation. So if the situation is coming, like new relationship is coming, new love life you are expecting, you should accept the reality and then initiate for that. You should try your best in order to get the good result. If you are not trying, means you are not accepting the situation, there is no possibility. Even the God also cannot change your situation. You are there, God has given you all the powers, you have given the mind, soul, body, everything you had given. You have to take action, you have to decide what is good for you, what is bad for you, and accordingly you have to decide. For decision making, what you have to do, you have to accept the situation, you have to accept the people are here around, you can see. You have to accept your destiny also. So in case your situation is not in your favor, what the cards are advising, be faith on the God, be faith on yourself, and try to understand the situation, what is the demand of the situation, and work accordingly. Accept the reality and then express your desire or express your wishes to your destiny. Yes, we can manifest whatever we want, but we should be having the practical approach also. Manifestation takes time, you have to work on your energies, and here you can see your energies are not yet aligned. So simply don't blame yourself, don't blame the situation. It is a part of the lesson, it has to happen, and you have to embrace these situation, these negative or positive, everyone, people, whoever is coming in your life. But for you, the gift is also coming from the divine. Here the white angel you can see from the sky which is coming. She is coming to give you strength, to give you lot of support in case whenever you will feel lost. That energy, whenever you are going to invoke by accepting your situation, by devoting yourself to the divine completely, definitely that help will come and you shall be supported completely. So do accept the situation. Acceptance will bring the relationship, will bring the love life, everything. So when I'll just consolidate the energy of the week, it is talking about please accept your situation and work accordingly. It will bring the relationship also, it will bring love life also. Though the situation seems to be little hard here, but it will get changed. Do add the colors in your life. Here you need greenery, here you need pink or red, and here you need orange. So for the people who have selected pile number 3, card number 3, for you as a advice, it can be told you can light either the white candle or the orange candle for the next 7 days. You will see within 7 days how your cluttered mind is going to be clear, how you are going to be ready for the situation, how you are going to be very positive towards your situation, the people, everyone. And then how after a 7 days you will see, or within 5 to 6 days you will start seeing how the things are started working in your favor. So this is as a advice or as a remedy I can suggest you. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can do that. If you are having white candle and you are willing to light this orange candle or the saffron candle, what you can do, you can wrap your white candle, you can anoint your white candle in any oil, and you can wrap that candle with the turmeric powder. The natural, the saffron color it will come, the yellow color it will come, that also will work for your this orange candle purpose, and it will become very pure also. The Jupiter energy will come, the yellow clarity it is going to give you. So this way also you can use this remedy. I hope the reading has resonated with you. Do let us know what best I can do, what extra can be given to you, what best you want from us, so that I will try to add in my weekly guidance, or I shall bring the more videos. Do like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment and give us the like if you are liking the video, so that I can just provide some gift for you guys. So you know what is the rule. Initially itself I had explained. Thank you so much for joining this week. Bye bye. Take care.